Marina Aldao, Bicolandia. This is Reynard Balonzo reporting live here in Legazpi City for Rappler. Several hours after the precincts were opened at EM's Barrio Elementary School here in Legazpi City, some residents are still in line waiting for their chances to cast their votes. It's already past 2 in the afternoon, but earlier some residents reported that they have been lining up since 6 a.m. The authorities attributed the delays due to malfunctioning automated counting machines. Let us interview some of the residents who are registered here in the precincts of at EM's Mario Elementary School. Hello po ate, can I ask you some questions lang po regarding uh your voting experience here in Legazpi City?
Medyo mainit po, tapos sobrang haba ng pila. Tapos, yun na, medyo natagalan po talaga.
Nagkaroon po ba ng aberya kanina yung pagboto po dito sa precinct niyo?
Opo, kanina kasi may nasira daw na na machine. Kaya yun na-stranded yung iba 6 AM pa daw, tapos hindi pa nakakakain. Kaya ayun, medyo natagalan talaga.
Ayun, thank you po ate. The mayoral race in Legazpi is one of the most closely watched in the province, with former Mayor Geraldine Rosal now challenged by Barangay Kabangan Captain Isham Ismael. Rosal is running alongside her spouse, Noel, who is also seeking to reclaim the Albay governorship, while Ismael is running under Joey Salceda's global Albay ticket. Voters express that whoever wins in this year's election needs to revisit and prioritize the improvement of school facilities in the city, noting that these areas are susceptible to extreme weather conditions, especially when accommodating large crowds as seen during today's election.
Sana naman maging pabor sa ating mga mamamayan ang resulta ngayong eleksyon.
Ayun, ano po ba ang need i-prioritize kung sino man ang mananalo dito sa Legazpi?
Alam mo yung priority kahit sino manalo, okay lang. Although alam naman natin may iba-iba tayong kagustuhan na sinong mananalo dapat. Pero ang kauna-unahang isa alang-alang ng mananalo ngayong eleksyon ay ang kabutihan o yung mga tao, yung magsisilbi, yung pagsisilbihan yung mga tao, hindi yung pagsisilbihan ng mga tao, yung mga niluklok nila.
Legazpi has 147,382 registered voters, comprising a significant portion of Albay's 940,114 total voters. Again, this is Reynard Balonzo reporting live from Legazpi City for Rappler.